Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Key Art and Design for NIFT NID and UCIT. This is the part 7th of our series Current Affair, in which we will be discussing top 10 current affairs questions for 2022. So let's begin. Question number 1. Major Dhyan Chand Sport University is being established in which place? And your options are A. Delhi, B. Meerut, C. Kolkata, D. Hyderabad. And your answer is Meerut. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has laid the foundation stone for Major Dhyan Chand Sport University in Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. The institution would come up with the modern and state-of-the-art sport infrastructure like synthetic hockey ground, football ground, basketball, volleyball, handball, kabaddi ground, lawn tennis, court, etc. This university is being established with a vision to have a strong sport culture and establish world-class sporting infrastructure in the country. Question number 2. Which country has recently purchased 25 Chinese JIOC fighter jets? And your options are A. Afghanistan, B. Pakistan, C. Sri Lanka, D. Bangladesh. And your answer is B. Pakistan. The Pakistan government has confirmed the purchase of at least 25 Chinese J-10C fighter jets for Pakistan Air Force. Pakistan claims these jets as an alternative to France's Rafale fighter jets owned by India. Pakistan also has a fleet of US-made F-16 jets. Question number 3. China has complained to the UN about collision with satellite launched by which project? And your options are A. Starlink Internet Service Project, B. Psyche Mission, C. Google Loon Project, D. OneWeb Satellite Project. And your answer is A. Starlink Internet Service Project. China complained to the United Nations that its space station was forced to avoid collisions with satellites launched by his Starlink Internet Service Project. As per China's claim to the Vienna-based United Nations Office for Outer Space Affairs, the country's space station had 2 close encounters with Starlink satellites this year. Starlink is a satellite internet network operated by Elon Musk's SpaceX. Question number 4. Under India's semiconductor mission, financial support is provided for how many years? And your options are A. 3, B. 5, C. 6, D. 10. And your answer is C. 6. Union Electronics and Information Technology Minister Ashwani Vishwanath launched the India's Semiconductor Mission ISM. ISM is an independent business division within the Digital Indian Corporation. It aims to build a robust semiconductor and display ecosystem in India. A financial support of up to 50% of the project cost is approved for setting up variants of semiconductor fab in India. A financial support for 6 years is given from the date of approval. Question number 5. E-Dakhil portal, which was seen in the news, is associated with which sector? And your options are A. Right to information, B. Consumer complaints, C. Life certificate, D. Goods and services tax. And your answer is B. Consumer complaints. Union government has set up the E-Dakhil portal, which provides a fast and easy facility to consumers around the country to conveniently approach the relevant consumer forum. As per the recent rules released by the Consumer Affairs Ministry, District Commission has jurisdiction for complaints where value of goods and services not exceeding 50 lakh. State Commission can look on complaint in range of 50 lakh to 2 crore. National Commission will have jurisdiction exceeding 2 crore rupees. Consumer can also file complaint electronically. Question number 6. Novak, who was named the best Balkan athlete for the year 2021, is from which country? And your options are A. Bulgaria, B. Serbia, C. Greece, D. Hungary. And your answer is B. Serbia. Ace tennis player Novak Djokovic from Serbia was named the best Balkan athlete for the year for a record 7 times. The 34-year-old player is ranked number 1 in the world and won 3 of the 4 Grand Slam tournaments this year. Greek basketball player Giannis Antetokounmpo was second in the poll, followed by another Greek long jumper Miltiadis Tantoglu. Question number 7. Which institution released the Compendium on the Innovations of Technology? And your options are A. World Bank, B. NITI Aayog, C. International Monetary Fund, D. World Economic Forum. And your answer is B. NITI Aayog. NITI Aayog Atal Innovation Mission released the Compendium on the Innovation on Technology. Innovations for You Companion focuses on the startups and innovations in the field of agriculture and allied services. It features the 70 startups supported by Atal Incubation Centers AICs of AIM. The ingenious tinkerers include 41 innovations from Atal Tinkering Lab ATL. Question number 8. Which is India's first large state to record 100% first dose vaccinations? And your options are A. Telangana, B. Odisha, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Karnataka. And your answer is A. Telangana. Telangana became the country's first large state to record 100% first dose vaccinations. The state has vaccinated 2.77 crore citizens, which the first dose as per the central government estimated adult population target. The state is ahead of the national average by 9% in terms of the first dose and ahead of the national average by 3% in second dose. Question number 8. Tellicherry breed, which was seen in the news, is a registered native chicken breed of which state? And your options are A. Karnataka, B. Kerala, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Andhra Pradesh. And your answer is B. Kerala. The All India Coordinated Research Project AICRP on poultry breeding Manuti under the Kerala Veterinary and Animal Science University KVASU bagged the National Breed Conservation Award for 2021. ICAR, National Bureau of Animal Genetic Resources, presented the award for conservation and research activities on the Tellicherry breed. It is the only registered native chicken breed from the state of Kerala. Question number 10. Which state legislative council has passed a bill to give more power to higher education minister in the state-run universities? And your options are A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Maharashtra, C. Telangana, D. Tamil Nadu. And your answer is B. Maharashtra. The Maharashtra Legislative Council passed the Maharashtra Public University Act 2016 Third Amendment Bill. It seeks to give more power to the higher technical education minister in the state-run universities. The bill also allows the minister to make recommendations to the government, who is the chancellor of universities. It also proposes appointment of the minister as pro-chancellor of the universities. Thank you everyone, this is it for the video. If you haven't watched our previous video on current affairs, you can get the link in the description and also the end screen. Thanks for watching.